carry in Texas. Open carry only exists in all.
I'm going through the canal.
Texas is not. I just came from Texas.
I'm following somebody.
I live there.
Check for this. Check for that boat. Yo.
There's no open carry in Texas.
We're going towards the back.
Yes, there is actually.
I know.
Guy up top.
Oh, they're
You guys need to go look it up real quick.
the radio station.
Not
They're on the
open
mountain.
carry in
They're
Texas
on the
in
mountain.
Almost 100 years.
Idiots, Colorado's open carry state.
Oh wait, who's up in the mountain?
That's
Like,
Colorado. I'm not talking about Colorado.
Do
I'm
we have
talking
some
about Texas.
crazy car?
No.
Not that
It doesn't matter
Someone
either way.
just
This
said
isn't
no
America.
state.
Hillside,
Open
probably
carry.
rifles.
All right, yeah. Let's all flank
Texas
the
is
mountain.
not
Let's
open
all
carry
flank the
state.
mountain. Assault the
I'm
mountain.
going
They're
up
in
there.
top. Yeah, they're in top of the mountain.
Oh shit!
You can go look it up.
Yo, I'm getting tasted in the city.
Carry a gun out in the open in
right
Texas,
front of the
you will get
licenses. Somebody
arrested.
come run over here,
Coming,
please.
coming,
Please, I'm
coming,
gonna get
coming,
arrested.
coming.
I'm gonna get arrested.
Texas independence
I got him.
13.
Yo, I'm at 1 health. I
Okay,
need help. I
a
need
quick
help.
tip about your ammo
Get back,
and your
get
weapons.
back,
If you
get
get the
back,
the vest at the gun store, they cannot
Yo,
take
one just
pocket
landed.
out of your vest.
Cops
If you
landed
keep
at
a
the
magazine and a weapon in the vest,
fucking
Oh,
dock.
shit, they
takes
got a
an area,
chopper.
they take your extra
They got a
magazine.
chopper.
It didn't no, there's a carry an item,
Go, go, go.
not in backpacks, it's an item.
should've
If
done
you buy that, it can't pick.
Where you at?
Guys, I need healing. I need healing.
Cops at the,
It's at the
there's
gun
a-
store when you buy your gun.
There's a
I
cop.
don't have
There's
facts. Sorry.
what
Sorry, I
the?
don't
It's
have
like
facts.
7,000.
I just got killed by a
All right,
fucking
okay.
civilian.
I think that is
Yeah, he
it.
wasn't
I can't remember that
Are
what.
we going to
Yeah,
Ramos?
there's belts there that aren't backpacks. Those will. Yeah, those will
Have
keep
you
your
guys
gun in at least
successfully
1 or 2
robbed-
magazines.
No,
safe
there's
when
like
people
8
pick
of
it
us
up.
though
we
in
have.
town not doing anything.
I just fucking died.
Guys, shoot all cops on sight.
We can't
Dude, I
That
find
did.
Obama's got a gun.
They're all hit.
All right, all right.
Well,
I need some
fucking
people to
hell,
come with me to the bank. Two people to cover me inside of the bank.
Alright,
I'm
I'm
I don't have a
upstairs.
gun.
Let's
Yeah.
go.
And he's got a
Yep, they're up on
gun.
the fucking hillside.
I got arrested for
Yeah, they're
killing
on the
somebody for doing
outside.
that actually the other day.
Damn, Chris, you're so unreliable.
Who is that? Is that El Jester? Guys, okay. Oh
I
my
can
god,
block-
I'm robbing the bank right now. I'm robbing the bank right now.
Alright,
Cover
I'll
me,
be up
yo.
there,
Over.
Watch the hillside. Watch the hillside.
No, dude,
There's one coming in.
No,
They're
go
coming in,
One
but
coming.
there's
No,
one
no, that's not a cop.
front.
That's not a cop.
There's
I'm blocking
That's-
entrance.
this
I'm
is
blocking entrance. Go through the front side.
All civilians in the second floor of the freaking whatever bank, you will be shot. Get out.
Watch out, they're coming up from behind.
Where's the
Yeah. Come to the
What
front
the
side.
heck?
Come to the front side.
nothing else to
Come
do.
to the front side.
Because it's
Blown up or
lucrative.
something.
Are you
Come-
dead?
They're coming up on the.
Yeah.
Oh,
Come
who
to
just
the
died?
front
Go
side.
to the what is
Come
it
to the
called
front
in
side. If you're gonna
Alright.
leave the bank, come to the front side. I have it blocked. Cop,
You
come
have
to
any
the
Cost too
extra
front.
much.
money?
Didn't you say that would be safe
Not
and
all.
terrorist?
Cops are coming through the front.
How much money do you have in your bank?
Cops coming up. Cop coming up.
11.
America's run by terrorists
No,
for
but he got-
terrorists.
Oh,
Now
yeah.
you're starting to sound like
I'm
Obama.
dead. I'm dead. Mission failed. How is it possible that there's like 6 of us with guns and we lose?
Dude, there were.
Because they're all hiding.
Where the fuck is my
Did
shotgun?
you ever
It's
ask
not even
the
in
actual
my
police
bag.
That's
That's
the
okay.
problem.
I
We
think you
need
should
to
actually
be the
ask
ones
about that.
hiding. We need to get in position and wait for them.
I
Alright,
was
next
Well,
time,
that kid
I
is
say
on
next
his
About
side.
being
It's
able to
not
like
her
make your
fault.
own
That
little
kid rushed
village.
in.
I'm not sure that that's
Collateral, sorry,
That is
having a
true.
The
shootout.
kid
Spark.
Ask an admin.
I didn't
for
see
it.
anything
Cover.
against it. I'm
Yeah,
for
he
it.
rushed in. He's like, oh fuck this, and he rushed in.
Next time,
Try to pick
let's
up all the money.
land-
Try to
let's
pick up all the money,
land
hurry.
Above the town.
I said we have a
Go
chem light
down.
war at nighttime.
I would kill
I would,
this.
uh,
If you see bullets or hear bullets flying and you run out in the damn
There's
city
anybody
as there's a firefight, your ass gonna get shot.
I see,
Therefore,
like,
you will not be
3 or 4
compensated.
people.
Well,
Oh, wait.
Alright, so we gotta go back to the chopper.
I'm hiding in one
Retreat,
building. with a
yeah.
gun.
Hey, can you help me out? I got some stuff in my truck. Can you heal me?
I have $87,000.
was I
tasing? Oh, it's already
oh,
12:30.
wait, let me buy a backpack so I can get my guns inside the truck.
Gosh, you people who live
Very
in